Hi everybody, today we are gonna try to get rid of the wasps without killing them.
So that is the nest. You can see the corner, and this is the door that if you open it, of course, it might get in the house, and that is put risk to us inside the house.
I don't know how we're gonna do that though. My dad's gonna tell us how to do it. Right, Daddy?
So we try to get rid of it today. So I'm thinking that what way I should remove it without killing them. I said through the online that one way they use the wasp killer spray, which is I don't want to kill them, and another way is another guy so funny that he used a spray that create fire, and he just put the fire and then spray it. And that is very not just only kill the wasp, but also the high risk to burn the house. And another way people do is to smoke. I think that is the traditional thing, just to smoke them away, and they get drunk or they get dizzy and they can't sting you in that way. And another way is just contact the pet control, and then we have their own tools to squeeze them or do something. But for us, it's just very small nest there, and I think I could do by myself. Yeah, we're gonna find some tool that what I have in the house. You could use a plastic as well, and just put a little bit a small hole just to let the air in. For this one is because a filter, so it has the air can go through already, so it will be easy to capture them without killing them. So I just used my 360 stick. The long one is 3 meters. You could use the other stick if you could as well. So I just used the filter. Hopefully it could open enough for the mouth and to capture that. Use the hairband to tie it up here. And there we go, I got it. Like this. So the idea is just like that. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Aha! I trapped about maybe 10 wasps in a filter bag, and I removed their hive without using harmful sprays. However, they kept returning, so I cleaned off by cutting away the old hive roots and spraying a mixture of oil and white vinegar to deter them.